Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to expand columns in Excel sheets. So of course you open Excel. You can select everything by clicking on this one, or you can select and swipe. So you can select from the upper line or from the left side. So for example, if I want to ABC and I want to make them bigger, go to the here and go a little bit to the right. It depends on how big you want them to be. And this size will be for all three of them. There you go. Yeah, thank you for auto saving. Okay. And another thing. So for example, let's say, hello, I am blah, blah, blah. And you go to the next column and you write, this is my workplace, and the third one will be I live in the blah blah blah. Okay, so as you can see, you can swipe like this, or you can just select all three of them, and by double clicking between them on this mark here in between of them, just double click on it. As you can see, it just expands on the column what you have written. And for example, if I go here and I say, hello, nice to meet you. So this one is now bigger than the one above it. If you still double click on it, it always takes by the bigger one or the larger sentence. Yeah, that's it for today. Have a great day. Bye.